Welcome to Nayarit, a hidden gem on the Pacific coast of Mexico. Here, the powerful Pacific Ocean crashes against golden shores sculpted by nature over millennia. This state is renowned for its rich natural landscapes, offering a range of ecosystems from lush jungles to serene beaches. Join us as we explore the breathtaking natural features and attractions that make Nayarit a paradise for nature lovers. Our journey begins on the Riviera Nayarit, a stunning stretch of coastline along the Pacific Ocean. The Sierra Madre Mountains cascade down to meet the sea, creating a dramatic backdrop for a coastline that stretches for over 200 miles. The Riviera Nayarit is a symphony of turquoise waters, golden sands, and lush vegetation. The air, thick with the scent of salt and sea, carries the calls of seabirds as they soar above the waves. Along this captivating coastline lie a string of jewels, each beach with its own unique character and charm. Sayulita, a bohemian paradise, vibrates with the energy of surfers and the laughter of children. Punta Mita, a haven of luxury, offers secluded coves and breathtaking views. And San Pancho, a charming fishing village, whispers tales of a simpler life. Beneath the surface of these azure waters lies a world teeming with life. Encounter magnificent humpback whales, their colossal bodies breaching the surface. Sea turtles glide through the coral reefs, their shells adorned with intricate patterns. A kaleidoscope of bird life fills the air with vibrant colors and melodic calls. From majestic frigate birds to comical blue-footed boobies, the Riviera Nayarit is a birdwatcher's paradise. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Riviera Nayarit transforms into a magical wonderland. It is a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world, a place where adventure and tranquility intertwine. Leaving the sun-kissed shores of the Riviera Nayarit, we venture inland to the Sierra de Vallejo Biosphere Reserve. Here the landscape transforms dramatically, the gentle slopes of the coast giving way to towering peaks. This is a realm of verdant forests, where sunlight filters through the leaves, illuminating a world teeming with life. The air, heavy with the scent of pine and damp earth, hums with the symphony of the forest. The Sierra de Vallejo is a testament to nature's resilience. Life finds a foothold in the most unexpected places, thriving in the rich volcanic soil. This biosphere reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of flora and fauna. Towering trees, their trunks thick with age, reach for the sky, their branches adorned with orchids and bromeliads. Agile jaguars stalk their prey through the undergrowth, their coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. Spider monkeys swing from branch to branch, their calls echoing through the trees. Toucans flit through the trees, their calls a distinctive sound of the Mexican rainforest. Hummingbirds hover effortlessly, their tiny wings beating so fast they are almost invisible. The Sierra de Vallejo Biosphere Reserve is a place of wonder, a sanctuary for biodiversity, and a testament to the power of nature's intricate web of life. Our journey now takes us to the coastal town of San Blas, where the languid pace of life belies the vibrant ecosystem at its doorstep. Situated on the edge of a vast mangrove forest, San Blas is a haven for wildlife. The air here is thick with the scent of salt and mangroves, a pungent aroma that speaks of the rich tapestry of life. The mangroves, their roots submerged in the brackish water, form a tangled labyrinth, a nursery for countless species. San Blas is a birdwatcher's paradise. Flocks of pelicans soar effortlessly above the water, their shadows gliding across the surface. Herons stand patiently on the mudflats waiting for their next meal. Beyond the mangroves lie miles of pristine beaches, their golden sands washed by the warm waters of the Pacific. Here you can witness the annual arrival of thousands of migratory birds, their formations a marvel of aerial acrobatics. San Blas offers a glimpse into a world where life unfolds at a slower pace, where the rhythms of nature dictate the flow of time. Chapter 4. The Marianas Islands, Jewels of the Pacific. Our journey continues westward to the Marianas Islands, a cluster of uninhabited islands rising from the cobalt blue waters of the Pacific. These islands are a hidden gem, often overlooked but brimming with natural wonders. These islands, sculpted by volcanic activity millions of years ago, stand as sentinels, their rugged cliffs and hidden coves teeming with life. The dramatic landscape tells a story of ancient eruptions and relentless ocean waves. Declared a national park and UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, the Marianas Islands are a sanctuary for a staggering array of marine life and bird life. This protected status ensures that the islands remain a pristine haven for future generations. As we approach the islands by boat, we are greeted by a cacophony of bird calls. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, a symphony that underscores the island's vibrant ecosystem. Blue-footed boobies nest on the cliffs, their bright blue feet a flash of color against the dark volcanic rock. These unique birds are just one of the many species that call the Marianas home. Magnificent frigate birds circle overhead, their keen eyesight scanning the water for their next meal. These masterful hunters are a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. Donning our snorkeling gear, we plunge into the crystal-clear waters, eager to explore the underwater realm. The visibility is astounding, revealing a vibrant world beneath the surface. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral reefs, their movements as fluid as the currents. Each species adds a splash of color to the underwater tapestry. Graceful manta rays glide effortlessly through the water, their movements both powerful and serene. Watching them is like witnessing a ballet in the ocean. Sea turtles graze on the seagrass meadows, their shells adorned with intricate patterns. These gentle giants are a vital part of the marine ecosystem. One of the most captivating features of the Marianas Islands is the Hidden Beach, a secluded cove accessible only by swimming through a short tunnel. This secret paradise is a testament to the island's enchanting allure. The Marianas Islands, with their rugged beauty and abundant wildlife, are a reminder of the power and fragility of the natural world. They stand as a beacon of conservation, urging us to protect and cherish our planet's precious ecosystems. Chapter 5. The Huichol, a tapestry of culture and nature. Our exploration of Nayarit takes us beyond its breathtaking landscapes and into the heart of its cultural heritage. This region is not just a feast for the eyes but also a treasure trove of stories and traditions that have been passed down through generations. We venture into the Sierra Madre Occidental, home to the indigenous Huichol people. These mountains are more than just a backdrop. They are a living, breathing part of Huichol life. For centuries, the Huichol have lived in harmony with nature, their lives intricately interwoven with the rhythms of the land. Their daily activities, from farming to rituals, reflect a deep-seated respect for the environment. Their deep connection to the natural world is the foundation of their spiritual beliefs, artistic expressions, and social fabric. This connection is evident in every aspect of their lives, from the way they cultivate their crops to the way they celebrate their festivals. The Huichol believe that every element of nature possesses a spirit, a tangible connection to the divine. This belief is not just a part of their religion but a guiding principle that influences their daily decisions and interactions. This profound reverence for the natural world permeates every aspect of their lives. It is a philosophy that teaches them to live sustainably and in balance with their surroundings. The Huichol are renowned for their vibrant and intricate art, a visual language that expresses their spiritual beliefs and their relationship with nature. Their art is not just decorative but also a medium through which they communicate their sacred stories and traditions. Their intricate beadwork often depicts sacred animals, deities, and scenes from their mythology. Each piece is a testament to their artistic skill and their deep spiritual connection to the world around them. Their yarn paintings, known as nirikas, tell stories of their history, beliefs, and deep connection to the land. These artworks are not just beautiful, but also serve as a record of their cultural heritage. To truly understand the Huichol, one must venture into the heart of their sacred territory, a landscape steeped in mythology and spiritual significance. It is here that the essence of their culture comes to life. Here, they perform their ceremonies, their rituals designed to maintain balance and harmony with the natural world. These ceremonies are a vital part of their cultural identity and spiritual practice. Visiting the Huichol is a privilege, an opportunity to witness a culture that has preserved its ancient traditions and its profound respect for the natural world. It is an experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who partake in it. Their story is a reminder that true wealth lies in our relationship with the earth and all its creatures. It is a lesson in humility, respect, and the enduring power of cultural heritage. Chapter 6, Jala, a symphony of water and stone. Our final destination takes us to the charming town of Jala, nestled in the highlands of Nayarit. This picturesque town is a hidden gem, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Surrounded by towering mountains and verdant valleys, Jala is a place where the forces of nature have conspired to create a landscape of dramatic beauty. The interplay of light and shadow across the terrain is a sight to behold. Dominating the skyline is the Sibaruco volcano, its slopes cloaked in pine forests. This majestic volcano is not just a geological wonder, but also a vital part of the local ecosystem. But it is the life-giving waters that cascade down from the surrounding mountains that truly captivate the senses. These waters nourish the land and sustain the vibrant flora and fauna of the region. The Mexcaltitlán waterfalls, a series of cascading falls that plunge into turquoise pools below, are a sight to behold. The sound of the water crashing down is both powerful and soothing. Surrounding the falls, a lush rainforest thrives, its verdant canopy a testament to the life-giving power of water. The dense foliage provides a habitat for a diverse array of wildlife. The journey to the falls is an adventure in itself, a winding path that leads you through shady groves of trees and across gurgling streams. Each step brings you closer to nature's wonders. Jala itself is a town steeped in history, its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture, whispering tales of a bygone era. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, make your way to a vantage point and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. The sunset here is a daily spectacle that never fails to amaze. Jala, with its dramatic landscapes and charming blend of nature and culture, is a fitting end to our exploration of Nayarit. It encapsulates the essence of this diverse and beautiful region. It is a place to reconnect with the natural world and appreciate the simple pleasures that life has to offer. Whether it's the sound of water, the rustle of leaves, or the warmth of the sun, Jala invites you to slow down and savor each moment. Nayarit's natural beauty, from the beaches to the mountains and the forests, offers plenty of opportunities for ecotourism, adventure, and relaxation. Whether you seek the thrill of riding the waves, the tranquility of a secluded beach, or the challenge of a hike through the rainforest, Nayarit has something to offer every discerning traveler. It's a place where nature and culture blend harmoniously, offering a truly unique experience that will stay with you long after you have left its shores. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Nayarit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content.